Hi everyone, this is Swetha, studying in Telangana Social Welfare Residential Armed Force Preparatory Degree College for Women in Nagar. Today I am saying about an interesting topic called types of pollination. Now let us start. The flower, which is the reproductive organ of the plant, bears the male and the female parts. The male part, the stamen, contains the male gamete, while the female part, the pistil, has the female gamete. Fusion of two gives rise to an embryo. Now let us get to know how exactly the process occurs. Flowers which contain both stamen and pistil together are called bisexual flower. Examples include rose, China rose, are few in this category. Some flowers, such as those of gourd and pumpkin, possesses either stamen or pistil. That is the reason why such flowers are called unisexual flowers. Now let us learn about pollination. It is the process by which pollen grains are transformed to the female reproductive organs of a plant. Types of pollination. There are two types of pollinations: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anthers to the stigma of a same flower is called self-pollination or autogamy. This type of pollination is possible only in bisexual flower. Cross-pollination. The other type of pollination is called cross-pollination, where the pollens travel from the anther to the stigma of a different flower on another plant. Cross-pollination is of two types: Gutenogamy and Xenogamy. Gutenogamy is the type of cross-pollination that occurs between two flowers present on the same plant. Xenogamy. If the pollen grains of one flower reach the stigma of another flower of the same type present on another plant, it is called xenogamy plant. Different types of pollination. Agents such as wind and water are the abiotic ones. Biotic pollinators such as bees, bats, moths, and birds also help in the process. The process of pollination makes that the pollen grain safely lands on the stigma.